If you love Italy and have enjoyed seeing famous sites like Rome and Florence, but are ready to try something new, then join me and discover Northern Italy. As no travelers alike, crafting a unique tour package around your interests and dates, ensuring you have the best travel experience is my specialty. I work one-on-one with you, taking the headache out of planning it yourself, saving countless hours of research and taking the uncertainty out of travel planning. Each trip is customized for you, and I always include locations that take you away from the crowds to hidden corners you never would have found on your own. Northern Italy has so much to offer, a variety of gorgeous settings, dramatic coastlines, small fairy tale villages, majestic mountains, world-class cities, awe-inspiring historical sites, and of course, let's not forget all the culinary experiences that you could enjoy. With me, you are traveling with an insider, someone who has genuine first-hand knowledge and experience of the places you wish to visit in Northern Italy. Not only will you experience the must-see sites, but you will also visit places not found in guidebooks, off the main tourist trail, going beyond what you may have been taught, told, or read about. The places that would be hard to navigate if you were not a local or did not have a command of the local language. Learn the history through local expert guides. Travel along the back roads to places most people miss out on, making the most out of our time together. I include farm tours, tastings of local specialty products, cooking lessons, winery tours and tastings, walking, hiking, biking, boat excursions, art demonstrations or classes, and so much more. You will meet the locals, visit quaint villages, stay in unique and charming accommodations, and most importantly, experience the Northern Italian lifestyle and culture through its art, history, food, and people. That is the Italy I want to share with you, and so much more. It is much more than a business, it's my passion, a personal mission to help you understand, appreciate, and connect you to the beauty of Northern Italy in the most authentic way possible. With me as your dedicated tour manager, driver guide, you will have insider access, a translator, while I take care of all the details on the ground. I not only show you a place, but welcome you to our way of life. I share travel tips with you, take you on orientation walks, recommend places to eat, make reservations for you, and suggest things for you to do in your free time. You will feel safe and cared for the entire way, like traveling with a friend away from home, feeling more like a traveler than a tourist.